A blacksmith named Mara leaves the forge for a lab bench, trading iron for enzymes as she pursues biofuel research. Her move started from curiosity about sustainable energy and grew into graduate studies and collaborations with farmers. She faced skepticism about abandoning a craft but built proof-of-concept kilns that convert waste into clean fuel, earning mentors and funding. Her advice to others is to collect tiny wins, document failures, and stay curious when traditional paths close. The journey shows that hands-on skill and scientific grit can fuse into a future where old trades power new technologies.